everybody, this is Sean with American Family Concealment and AccuShot Firearms Training. This morning we're working on our fundamental drills, and what we got right here are 2-inch circles with a 1-inch bullseye right in the middle. And what we're going to be doing is starting at 10 feet, 20 feet, and 30 feet. So at 10 feet, our desired accuracy and our acceptable accuracy would put all 5 of our shots within that 1-inch bullseye. At 21 feet or 7 yards, our desired accuracy is going to be all our shots within that bullseye, that 1-inch circle, and our acceptable accuracy is going to be within that 2-inch circle. When we move back to 30 feet or 10 yards, again, our desired accuracy is all of our shots within that black bullseye, that 1-inch circle, or our acceptable accuracy is within that 2-inch circle. So let's go ahead and move back and see what that looks like. Okay guys, let's see how we did. At 10 feet, I was able to keep all 5 shots within the black 1-inch circle. At 20 feet, I was able to keep it all pretty well within that 1-inch circle with one kind of cut in the line. But we are still within our desired accuracy level. At 30 feet, we moved back to 10 yards. And you could see with these first 2 attempts here, my shots weren't quite going where I wanted them to. So actually what I did was I went and got my clear glasses that's got a prescription in it, and that allowed me to focus on that front sight just a little bit better. And I came back for a 3rd attempt at the 30 foot, and all of my shots are a little bit low on the 1-inch circle, but they're all touching except for this one. This one here was, I think, my 3rd or 4th shot, and that was a trigger compression issue. I started to let anxiety build up, and I just pressed that trigger just a little tough, and it brought that shot down. So from the results that we have here at 30 feet, you can tell that I need to do a little bit more work to get the desired accuracy that I'm looking for. I'd like all my shots to be within that 1-inch circle at 30 feet as well. If you guys want to do drills like this and learn how to shoot with precision accuracy, give us a shout at AccuShotFirearmstraining@gmail.com.